Hey guys, it's me doing back another YouTube video. I'm feeling really good today, and I think it's important to acknowledge because these are really difficult times. I hope you guys are good. I hope your families are safe and you guys are still healthy because I know we're all kind of going through it at this time. But about this video, I have not done a lock update in a minute, and for me, it's kind of like, yo, my hair is locked already. Like, what new things do I have to talk about, right? But I feel like I can share kind of how frustrated I've been with my hair because I feel like it's all I need to just be transparent, let y'all know the real deal. So this is that video where I just share with you everything that I'm really kind of struggling with right now, 2 years in to my lock journey. So stick around, like this video, comment below, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So something that I've like always struggled with throughout my lock journey is like my hair feeling so dry. And I've like asked people who have had locks for, a large like good amount of years, and they would say that like yeah, it feels a little dry, but it's also like nothing to be concerned about. Like that's just like how locks are. However, I am not totally convinced that my hair isn't like so dry. And again, in like a lot of my videos I've shared that like yeah, I do spritz my hair with my water mixture often. So like my hair is getting that moisture. But again, like I do suffer from buildup specifically on my scalp. So I'm wondering if like maybe I need to do like a deep cleanse, like maybe like maybe like an apple cider vinegar rinse. So maybe that'll be my future. So I'm wondering like what do I need to do to put moisture in my hair because I'm just like it's frustrating to me. Like I would just see like random little like hair strands like on my bed, or like I'll sweep them up on the floor and it's like, yo, I have locks. Like why is my hair like, shedding? So it's kind of like frustrating for me because it's like, yo, like okay, so something needs to be done for the health of my hair, right? So I'm trying to figure it out, and like when I find it out, then I'm gonna let y'all know, because I'm sure like other people are struggling with this as well. So I mean, like if you guys know like things I can do, like please do put that in the section below, because like it's something that's like driving me crazy. But I'm pretty sure it's could probably be like my buildup. Also, another issue that I've had for a while is like my scalp. Like I do not remember my scalp being this sensitive and dry when I first started out. Like, I don't know when this started, but my scalp has just been like so sensitive to everything. Like, I can oil my scalp as soon as I wash it, and then try like every couple of days, and then it's like the oil builds up on my scalp, and of course that causes flakes and all that stuff. In addition to like me, so like I'm someone who like when I wash my face, I like wash it in that moment in this like type of motion. So it's like it pushes the suds and like my cleansing balm like towards my hairline. And it's like as much as I try to like avoid that by like not bringing it up so far, it still somehow manages to get up there, which then again causes buildup specifically in my hairline, which again causes flakes. And it's like, yo, I just feel like I can't catch a break as far as my scalp is concerned. So like I'm searching for like the perfect um oil that maybe I can use. Like maybe I like really need to like take it back to the basics, like strip it back down to like one good oil. Like I don't know, like I'm at a loss. Like I'm just so frustrated. And like talking about myself again, like I know like I just did a video about witch hazel, and it's like that's not something I can use because that's a short time fix. Like that's good for protective styles, like if you have box braids or if you just really need to like clean your scalp real quick, like you about to go out or something. But for to like really cleanse your hair and like heal your scalp, like witch hazel's not gonna work because that's just gonna like dry it out and irritate it. Like that's why it's like, such a good for like a to like cleanse your hair in like a short pinch, because like it does that, but that would be too harsh for me to use to like kind of like repair and like keep my hair healthy, right? So I'm just like, I don't know what to do. And this is insane because it's like 2 years into my lock journey, I should be feeling secure. I should be feeling like, yo, I have locks now, like I'm chilling. But I'm just like, I feel like this is the most stressed I've felt in my lock journey. And that's a lot considering like how I felt when I first started out, and I was like so self-conscious and worried on my hair locking. Like I feel even more stressed than back then. Another issue I have is something that has always been in the back of my head, but this is the first time I'm kind of like seeing it. So obviously I have small-ish locks, right? Because as you guys know, if you watch like my lock journey video, I started my locks originally with two strand twists, but the way my hair was set up, like say the twist was this, so it's like the lock started to form within the two strands of hair that made up that twist. So of course the twist didn't stay and they separated and the locks formed like that. I hope that made sense. But so that caused my locks to be smaller than I had originally intended. Granted, I still love my hair. I love the size of it. It's like a total pain to like do myself though. But it was always a concern that like maybe later down the line I might need to like combine my locks because they might be thinning. But I was always under the impression like if I take care of my locks, then like they'll be healthy, like they wouldn't be dry and brittle, and they won't thin out. But now it's like I'm kind of having this dry and brittle hair issue, and it's causing me to like be so paranoid. So if you look at these on my side, which I feel like are the most fragile and delicate, if you see, these are probably the skinniest locks that I have in my head. And here is my new growth. And it's like with the new growth, it's like the less stable my lock becomes. Because it's like, what is it hanging on to, right? And it's like my new growth makes my lock feel thin. And then I have like hair coming out of my lock. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this. I have new growth here, and then there's like a bud here, and then it's like loose hair. I should not be pulling it out, but I am. It's loose hair, and then the lock again. So it's like, yo, what is going on? And I'm wondering if it's because I've been sleeping without a scarf on, which is fine because I have satin pillowcases. But I'm wondering if like my edges or whatever rubbing against that could be causing like friction that's causing this what seems to be damage to my hair. Again, like I could be paranoid, I could be overly dramatic, but I'm worried, guys. I'm like so worried. Um, in addition, my hair, I had colored my hair like a month ago, so I'm wondering like if that too could be a case of why my hair is so dry. I'm just like at my wits end. Like I know we're in quarantine. I know I can't go to my lactician, and that's stressing me out because it's like at least with my lactician, I know that somebody's going to care for my hair who knows exactly what to do because this is her profession versus like me, Danielle. Like though I started my own locks and I've done my own locks for a majority of the time that I have over the 2 years that I've had these, it's still like I still could very well like mess up my hair, and that's like not something that I want to do because my locks are an investment and I want to make sure I take care of them. Like, yeah. So I like really hope you guys understood where I was coming from. Like, I wanted to make this video because like your lock journey is going to be full of emotion. There are gonna be times where you're gonna hate your hair. There are times when you fall in love with your hair. There are gonna be times when like you don't know what to do with your hair, and I feel like that's where I am right now. And it's pretty hard to be, especially as someone who makes videos about my hair. So I'm at a loss right now, and if y'all know what I could do to help me get out of this funk, put that in the comment section below. And again, if I figure it out, I'll definitely make another video about like how I can like revive my hair. Even if it's like me doing a video on like doing a deep cleanse, like the apple cider vinegar one, if I get to do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned more into like the inside of like having locks. You know, it's not all good. It's not all rainbows and sunflowers. Don't forget to like, of course. Again, comment below any tips you might have for, you know, reviving your hair when it might not be feeling its best. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. I do want to share one positive thing about my hair though. Like, can we check out the growth? Like, you guys, I'm 2 years locked, and like look how my hair has grown. Like, I do not have a retwist, so my hair is like fluffed out and stuff, but it's still like hanging. Like, oh, I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm so frustrated. I'm so frustrated. But like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hang time. Hang time.